I'm Robin Ray, and I'm here to prepare for you kielbasa, onion, potato, and olive oil casserole. Looking for an easy and hearty meal tonight? This one dish wonder is for you. We're going to start by taking at least a pound of our kielbasa. We're going to slice it on the diagonal. Then we're going to take our potatoes, about 3 medium-sized potatoes, cut those into cubes, 1 onion sliced in chunky pieces, and 1 green bell pepper. Again, chunky pieces. We're going to toss all that together in some olive oil, finish it with a little salt and pepper, pop it in a 350 oven, bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes until the vegetables are crisp tender. Voila, dinner is ready.